I don't.
Just
go.
Safe.
Go. Come on.
If I fall, I'm going right through that thing.
Oh,
Yeah.
you okay?
No.
You need help?
No.
Huh?
No, thank you. We're okay. We're just kidding around.
Do you need help?
No, we're okay. We're just playing. Thank you, though.
No, I think it's playing.
What?
What'd she say?
Do you need help?
No, we're really okay. Seriously. We're just kidding around on the pond.
You're playing.
Yeah, on the pond.
I don't think so.
I'm right here.
No, we really are. Sorry. He's really okay.
Oh, boy. You know, I don't believe this shit.
Okay.
What's going on?
We're ice skating.
You're ice skating.
Yeah,
Where?
on the pond.
You're ice skating.
Yeah, we're ice skating on the pond.
I'm gonna poop myself.
No, we're not on drugs.
Pond in the yard.
There's a fish pond. It's frozen. We can go ice skating.
And guess what? All the bracket, all the noise that my dog is barking.
Yeah, we got laughed. It was funny. He fell. Do you need help? Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, is that a